friends, coming to you today to review one of my Christmas presents. It is the Red Copper Brownie Bonanza pan. This would be great for somebody who loves to bake or someone has everything. You know how that goes. We all usually have someone like that we have to buy for. But it is available at Walmart for $20. So I want to just try it out and tell you what I think about it. What it basically is a 9 by 13 pan. It comes with this little metal stand, and I'll explain what that is after the brownies are finished. And it comes with this little gridded handled insert that you put in the mix. So what you basically do is you just pour your brownie mix in there, place the divider in the batter, and then you bake it. So I'm not going to go through a brownie tutorial. Most all of us use box mix or a favorite brownie recipe. I'll be glad to type out the brownie recipe that I'm going to use down below. But it's actually a combination of what's in this little booklet. This is a great little booklet with about probably 10 or 12 recipes. And I don't know why I didn't think about it, but anything you can eat in a bar form, you could use this pan for. They have a real neat lemon bar. They have a pizza bites recipe, even a biscuit recipe, just anything that you would need individual servings on. It makes 18 of little squares. Well, I'm going to go ahead and whip up my batter mix and pour it in the pan, and then we'll see how this thing works. Okay, I want to show you what the pan looks like. It's got a part out of the bottom, and it's very much like a springform pan. You have an insert that goes in there like that. Now the directions encourage you to bake it on a cookie sheet just like you would a springform pan, just to catch any possible spills. So now I'm going to just do a light cooking spray in my pan and pour my batter in the pan. I have my brownie mix in my pan. I decided to combine two recipes. One was the blondie brownies with chocolate chips, and then I swirled a cheesecake mixture over the top that's also in the book. Now the next step is to spray your little divider tray with cooking spray. It's so slick I can barely pick it up, and then just set it down in your batter, and it says to be sure and make sure that it presses all the way down. So it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but it appears to be all down in there. Now I'm going to check the cooking time and put it in the oven. All right, 350 degrees for 25 minutes, and then I'll watch it from there. All right, it's been 25 minutes. Went ahead and pulled them out. They appeared to be done enough. Now, as I'm looking at them, I see that they're all stayed within their little divider sections except for a few right here, and that tells me that next time I need to make sure that my batter is all even across. It may eliminate some of these from protruding out. Now, I see that they still are divided, but just need to be careful because that'll defeat the purpose of using this divider tray if I have to go back and recut them. So that's just a little tip there. So it says, all right, it's been about 10 minutes, and I was afraid these would rip, but I just lifted it up here just a second ago, and it appears that they are coming out pretty nice and clean. So I'm going to set that right there. I'm probably going to let them cool just a little bit more, but so far I'm really pleased by the way they're sliced up. I'm going to let them cool a little more, and then I'll show you how to get it out of this big pan. All right, it's been about another 15 minutes. It's cool enough where I can actually pick up the pan. Inside the box comes with this little metal pan stand is what it's called. And all you do is set it on that pan stand. I'm going to take both hands and push the whole pan down. So here's what it looks like. So I probably just go ahead and lift this pan up, and that's what it looks like. So now I guess I could actually put these on a serving tray. I thought maybe that it would have an edge all the way around it, but it's really not. They're just basically cooked and sliced all at once. But they look good. So now for the taste test. All right, I'll be honest with you, I have never eaten a brownie that I didn't love, and this one didn't disappoint. It's more of a cakey type of a brownie instead of a fudgy brownie. I'll probably make this again sometime, but I wanted to show you that the brownies did not stick whatsoever. I didn't even use a spatula to pick them up and put them on the serving tray. Even though this is dishwasher safe, it still recommends that you hand wash it just to prolong the life of your pan. You know, it's a pretty neat little novelty to have, not a neat little gift nonetheless. So I hope you enjoyed this little review, and keep in mind the Red Copper Brownie Bonanza pan if you're ever looking for a gift. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.